9:30 because we require some 10 to 15 minute time for the price data to be optimized. Then only the softwares will work properly. So before I should go to the Elliott concept, have a look at the other features of the softwares. So smart analysis tool, again I will tell it is available in the two editions. One is our desktop edition, other will be our mobile edition, and we are giving trial for that also. If you go to the products link, you click here trial software. So on this trial link, if you just visit here, you can get the trial, but the trial has specific limitations. Trial having specific limitations means in trial software, in a day 15 analysis is allowed, means 15 times you can analyze. Either you can analyze one stock for 15 times or 15 stocks for 15 times. So that is the analysis of the stocks is limited here. Number of analysis, option, future, everything together. All features are not enabled here. So whenever the trial edition is there, trial edition will have limited features. You can say here Gann's couple of things are there, tetrahedrons and other things is not there, and Gann cycle is now recently came, that is also not there. Trial edition you won't get Gann cycle, you will not get tetrahedron, all these things you may not get it. So these are the trial editions limitation. So have a look at the vibration number. So I have told you how you can utilize that software. Now have a look at the vibration number. So Gann vibration number, what it says for the day 9:30. I will start for Elliott. So Gann vibration number is having the screen. So you can say 24,179 future, 24,092.6 is the low for the day. You can see here 92.6, 24,179.25. This is what the high and low has happened before 9:29. So if you are saying now the vibration number is 24,170, means here it will find toughest resistance. If it crosses that, it will find out 24,196 is another toughest resistance. Then after the resistances will be feeble, will be weak. It has a chances to move forward also. It can. Next is 24,482. So till that point, you will not have any strongest resistance, but these price points are definitely one resistance. They are not strongest resistance, but they are resistance. So that also you have to make it. So it is for the uptrend. Downtrend, same way 1.56, this is the support. Then 24,000, 24 is support. Then it has two supports at 24,397, 23,972, 23,946. So this is for the downside. So have a look at this vibration number. It is a concept of numerology which is being copied by W.D. Gann. I have decoded it in a very simple way. If you do not have the software, you visit my YouTube channel. You can procure that Gann course and learn from that. These simple calculations works wonderfully. You can, when you'll see this video recordings, you must see that what are the calculation we did and what we have got. Now come to the Gann cycle. So lot of calculations we are doing. Then after we will see that, see November, it has now come to 207, 209. So this is the place our, again one strongest part of our resistance is sitting here, 205, 207. I was telling you now 196. This resistance is now crossed over. Now you can say it has gone to 211. From there it has fallen. So now if you recalculate, it will change. The vibration number will change. Now coming to the next part, which is very important. This is Gann cycle. Gann cycle say that we do not have any say time to calculate what will be the resistance, what will be the supports. Suppose how many points Nifty plus or minus we can able to see. So if you do not have the proper time to calculate exact price point of your support and resistance, then you have another method, how many price point up or down, plus how many points, minus how many points, it will set the trend. Means it will be plus how many points, it will be uptrend, minus how many points, it will be downtrend. So for Nifty today it is set as 83.84 point. Means if Nifty goes plus 84 point, then it will move to plus 104 point, then it will move to plus 146 point, and it will have 167 point maximum today. If it is going 83 point plus, it should maximum go to 167 point plus. Similar way, if it is 83 point down, it will come to this. So 83 point plus or minus is going to set the trend for the day. So 83 point plus or minus is going to set the trend for the day. So this is for the Nifty, it is coming. So then come to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, it is giving the similar kind of things, 473 points. So 473 points. So this is for the day. So now it is slightly, we have modified it. So now those who have studied about 49 degrees and 90 degrees, you can say that we have modified it slightly, and we will be just seeing the outcome. Based on that, we will again revisit these things. We will be starting with our Elliott study. Elliott study, we have given two very important things here. Again, I am loading the data because data point high and lows have been changed. Now 24 to 11 is there. So here, just couple of seconds I will take to explain what is Elliott waves theory and how it works. So whenever we are doing, so here this is the calculation I have done. New things is being calculated. Elliott waves, impulsive and corrective, both calculated. So whenever we are finding out a rising wave, Elliott has given two set of wave. One is impulsive structure. Not impulsive means always not upward. Impulsive structure, it is a 5 wave structure. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Similar way, impulsive can be downside also. This is falling impulsive. This is rising impulsive. Rising impulsive, falling impulsive. Similar way, you have corrective, 3 wave structure, ABC name. So this is rising corrective, and similar way you will have falling corrective. So but what 90% of trader does, they used to say that whenever there is a impulsive means it is always rising. There is no falling in the impulsive. It is wrong. Corrective means it is falling. It is also wrong. 3 wave structure and 5 wave structure, it says that this is what your impulsive structure or corrective structure. So like your, so here you can say impulsive starts with 24, rising impulsive start at 24,092, rising corrective also will be starting from 24,092. So what are the challenges here? So I have told you about the wave, and every wave has been a logic. They follow a Fibonacci principle, they follow the volatility principle, so everything they follow, and they are very much accurate in the volatile market. So that is what it is there. So what is the challenges in this particular Elliott wave structure? So first challenge is we do not know whether the Elliott waves impulsive is happening or the corrective is happening. That is our first challenge. So even though we find out correctly the impulsive pattern or corrective pattern, we do not know which wave is going on, whether wave 1 is happening, wave 2 is happening, wave 3 is happening, wave 5 is happening. Which wave is happening, that is also is another dilemma. So these two challenges always there. First, finding the pattern. Second, impulsive or corrective pattern. Second, even though if you find the pattern, which wave is going on, that is also is one of the challenge. So once you get these two things into this thing, why Smart Finance, this particular smart analysis tool? Smart analysis tool uses these waves to construct. We are using the volatility into it. Traditional things doesn't use the volatility. They use only high and low. From there they draw. There are again two approaches to study this Elliott wave. One is the wave construction approach. We are doing this construction. This is called wave construction. we are making the wave, and some things called wave count approach. So they will draw in the chart different things, they will count. But original Elliott study is only on the wave construction approach. Elliott wave count approach is never been successful, and that makes the system more complex, and 99% of people cannot able to follow that. That is also is another part of your wave count approach. So for a wave count, you require a very sophisticated software. For that, you have to spend in lakhs. Then you have to get the first you have to spend in lakhs for that. So wave construction approach and wave count approach, these two approaches I have told you. So these approaches are very important. So now I have also told you what are the challenges. Second most important factor is whenever you calculate or estimate or forecast the Elliott wave things, simply by taking high and low and their distance and drawing any wave structure or anything, its efficiency is only 55% to 50% or 50-50 you can say. Means 50 times 50% it will work, 50% it won't work. Reason, you are using only historic data. Why you are means wave doesn't say that it is a historic data. Wave is using different Fibonacci principle. So when you are using a wave count approach, you are forcing the system to believe that yes, this is the method, you this is the wave, you accept it. So simply you are telling to the market, it is just like that. It is such a huge market, stock market or commodity market or crypto market. You are telling, I am thinking wave 5 is going to happen, you accept it. So do you think that market is fool that it will accept your dictation? You dictate, market will accept. So that will never happen. Have you ever seen that you have told that market should go 500 point, market will go up, market should fall by 1000 point, market will fall? That never happens. So market based on the physiological factor. What is physiological factor again here? When we saw market follows a physiological factor, that means market has its own signs to follow. Demand and supply given by the majority of the people. Carefully listen. Demand and supply created by majority of the people decides the trend. ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेंट लोग जितने भी, अगर 1000 लोग अभी पार्टिसिपेंट ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, उसमें से अगर 700-800 लोग कोई एक सोच के हिसाब से चलते हैं, नहीं मार्केट को नीचे आना चाहिए मेजॉरिटी, तो वो मार्केट नीचे आएगा. दैट इज व्हाट. ये एक डेमोक्रेटिकली मार्केट वर्क करता है. मार्केट ऐसे आंख बंद करके एक्ट नहीं करता है. सेकेंड मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट फैक्टर इज those democratically people, those who decide the trend, they are the fat pocket people. Means they should have huge money to pull out from the market or to put it in the market. So they decide the trend. So that is why market is democratic, market is physiological, market governed by the fat pocket. So तीन नेचर है. एक, जिसके पास में ज्यादा पैसा होगा, जो पार्टिसिपेंट के मेजॉरिटी पार्टिसिपेंट भी उसी साइड में होंगे, डेमोक्रेटिकली वो मूव होगा. हमारा सोचने से कोई होने वाला नहीं है. सो दैट इज व्हाई इसको बोला जाता है फिजियोलॉजिकल. वो फिजियोलॉजिकल हिंदी में क्या है मुझे पता नहीं है. सो दिस इज हाउ द मार्केट वर्क्स. सो वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट. सो नाउ मूव टू द Elliott study. So I'll be going here, right click here, go to the chart option. Already some 20 minutes happened, so it is drawing the charts here. So now till 9:44 I will be just taking a screen print of these things, and I will be taking the chart here. So all price points I am taking here. So this chart, what I have done, I will be giving it to the chat GPT to understand which wave he is in making. So first I'll go to the chat GPT. I pasted this chart. Please do a comprehensive comprehensive Elliott wave analysis, wave analysis एक. So this is what I am going to ask to the chat GPT. Comprehensive Elliott wave analysis, and give me the wave pattern currently going on. So जस्ट इतना ही मैंने पूछा कि कौन सा वेव पैटर्न अभी चल रहा है, व्हाट इज द significance of that. So here, so here it is telling that 1 minute daily this thing. So it is asking what are the other things you require. So I am asking, so please give me trend direction, price levels, and daily time frame. This you can able to change uh, uh, and expected price move for the day. So this is what we are giving to the system. ChatGPT we are asking. So based on this thing, he is going to give that particular it's ABC pattern. It is telling that first what happens. We have asked him the things. Then it has told that this is what kind of pattern is this price point we are not going to accept. Very carefully listen to this. This price point we are not going to accept. What our point is here, short term bearish trend. If you are corrective phase, we might observe ABC correction is happening. Key price points is here 24,144 to 24 this. So resistance level it is giving 229, 260, 280. Expected price move is this. A break below this can bring this one. In the scenario wave 5, if impulse might extend downtrend with volatility, then ABC it is giving bullish scenario, bearish scenario it is giving. Now I will go to my analysis here. So I will be loading the data again. Because by the time we have been discussing, something has already happened. It is now 228, 215, something has happened. Market is almost in the flat level. So data is loaded and now I have to calculate. So it has told you the corrective pattern is setting in. That is what it has told you, ABC pattern. So I will be going for the corrective pattern, because for knowing the pattern only I have given these things. So knowing the pattern only I have given these things. I am just studying this one and this part only I will give, otherwise the system will get confused. So here I have just copied that things and pasted it here, and then I asked please consider my calculation and the chart and refine the today's Elliott wave trend levels. So here why I have given these things, because we have taken cycles. So Elliott wave trend levels. So this is what. So this is what, based on the calculations and all these things, it has expected all this in refined level it has given. So what is the summary it has given? Bearish break, which was given earlier, how much? 24. What it has given earlier, both the things you make it here. So here bearish scenario 24,144 could target 24,80. 24,181 can go to 24,229 to 260. So now you are you can say 229 level, it has already come 24 to 28.55, and from there it has retraced. This is what it has happened. So 208, you can say again you are going for this cycle, because ours uptrend cycle 209 level it was terminating. So now this, based on these values what we have given, expected wave 1 is 209, 324, 440, everything it has gone through this. Then it has changed here. What it has changed? So price sustain above this one can go to 24,209, and breaking this 209 can push to 24,324. This is the strongest resistance zone. It has already made it. But it has given break below this one can bring it to 23,996. Earlier what it was giving? 2480. So now it is telling it will bring to 23,996. And here too also similar way it has given. We'll go for the bank nifty. Nifty has happened. Now we'll go for the bank nifty and see what it is suggesting. So we'll go for the bank nifty. So similar way, I'll right click chart GPTs. This chart I have taken. Then all this scribblings I will delete. I will be taking the print of this. So now things will be very easy. So here I'll just copy this one, paste it here. Please do the similar analysis in bank nifty. So this is what bank nifty, if you give, then it will do the analysis of this bank nifty chart. What we are expecting here, what we need to know, wave pattern and its impulsive wave A. So here what structure it is, wave, what structure it is suggesting? It is telling that it is the recent sharp drop is likely part of impulsive wave A, corrective wave B, and impulsive wave of A. So ABC structure it is telling, again it is telling it is, this is also following a ABC structure and its support and resistance. So bank nifty data is loaded. Now we will be calculating the bank nifty. So corrective cycles, take the value of the bank nifty, corrective cycles. Now give these levels. So then please improve the trend analysis of bank nifty. So here all things you have to give. So analysis of bank nifty, those who are having the software, they can take best benefit of this thing. Please improve the trend analysis of bank nifty along considering above calculation and the chart analysis. So both the things it should take. So chart, it has understood something. Now we are giving the system one more calculation. Why we are giving that this calculation again and again? I am telling, when you have given this chart has only given you what has already happened, what are the different type of candles formed, what kind of Elliott wave structure is in place. It has not taken volatility into consideration. It has not taken cycles into consideration. So it says that okay, chart is here, next will be somewhere, it ends there. So it has not taken volatility of the day. It has not taken the cycles. Cycles means if one part of the trend ends, where the next part of the trend will start. So that two things this has not taken. So these two things we have added here. If you give that ChatGPT, you add this thing, that is our innovation. So ChatGPT takes only publicly available informations. It never take any proprietary informations. So these are the proprietary informations of smart finance. So once we give this, it has refined the things. So what earlier it has told, 5160 support, 51,650, 51,567. This is resistance. So neutral to bearish is this 51,900. Now what happens? You can see once you give a calculation, sustain above this can lead to this. See the refinement of that. If the momentum continues, it can go to this. Bearish scenario, it has given 51,563. So how confidently it should be taken? So there is no time frame and all. Whenever you are sitting, that is the thing. जब जागा तब सुबह, जब आपने जागा तब जाके सुबह हुआ. That Om Prakash ji is telling that what time frame I should take. When if you are sitting at 12 o'clock, so 12 o'clock itself you take the reading, because this software will take till 12 o'clock. What is the volatility at that moment? We are at making it at 9:53. So 9:53, what is the volatility in Bank Nifty? Taking that volatility into confidence, this has devised this one. So taking that volatility into confidence, it has devised this part. Understood? So this part is being devised, taking that part into confidence. That 9:53, what volatility is there, based on that all these cycles are being made. 9:15 से लेके 9:54 तक जो भी डाटा पॉइंट ऑलरेडी क्रिएट हुआ है, उसी के ऊपर में से जो भी वोलाटिलिटी बना है, उसी वोलाटिलिटी को लेके ये बनाया है साइकिल. हमारा जो चैलेंज है उसको समझो, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पहला तो हमें पता नहीं है इंपल्सिव चल रहा है या करेक्टिव चल रहा है. अगर करेक्टिव चल रहा है तो कौन सा वेव चल रहा है, ये हमें पता नहीं है. So this is our problem. So first we are giving the chart. ये जो AI solution को एक चार्ट या ग्राफ देते हैं, जो भी जहां तक आपका प्राइस पॉइंट जहां तक पहुंचा है प्रीवियस डे से ले, तो जहां तक पहुंचा है वो चार्ट दे दिए. तो वो चार्ट को स्टडी करके बताया कि ये अभी एबीसी चल रहा है, करेक्टिव का एबीसी चल रहा है. थोड़ा सा इसमें कंफ्यूजन भी वो डाला, वो बोला वो इम्पल्सिव वेव ए में चल रहा है, करेक्टिव बी में चल रहा है, वेव सी डिक्लाइन हो रहा है. बट एबीसी पैटर्न वो कंफर्म कर दिया, एच से एबीसी स्ट्रक्चर. तो अभी एबीसी वाला का जो कैलकुलेशन है उसी को लेके डाल दो, तो रिफाइन करने के लिए बोलो तो उसका कंफ्यूजन भी चला जाएगा, वो आराम से आपको पॉइंट्स भी दे देगा. Already added 5 recorded videos on this subject, and on this subject of Elliott wave using this particular software. And imagine what is the user feedback. The people those who are using our software, आप में से किसी ने बोला ना बोला उसमें मुझे मतलब नहीं है, बिकॉज 10-15 हजार का जो भी हमारा यूजर बेस है उसमें से जो लोग interact करते हैं, the people those who interact, they say that no sir, I followed your principle, I used in this order. What is their success rate? They rate it above 75%, and they said that the price point which it is mentioning with the this calculation and using the ChatGPT, it hits correctly, accurately, with one deviation of hardly 1 point, 1.5 point, 2 point. 2.5 पॉइंट का डेविएशंस में होता है. यानी कि जो फाइनल टारगेट एस्टिमेट करता है उसमें से 2 रुपया छूट गया, 2.5 रुपया छूट गया. सो उतना ही होता है. सो दैट इज व्हाट द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर मेथड. सो 24,246 अभी नवंबर में हुआ. अभी देखो 246 होके 223. तो रोल बैक करके थोड़ा जाते हैं पीछे, देखते हैं क्या बोला था, क्या हुआ. सो दिस इज व्हाट कॉल्ड कैलकुलेटिव. 208 तक जाएगा, उसके बाद में ये ऊपर जाएगा. यही बताया था 246 के साथ में 245 पॉइंट समथिंग अभी हुआ था, 208 के ऊपर रहा है, सो इट विल गो फॉर ए लेवल ऑफ 324। इन बिटवीन इसमें एक एक हिच आएगा, 292 में एक आएगा, उसके बाद में 242, देखो अभी 9 नहीं आया, 242 तक, 292 से गिरना चाहिए था, 242 से ही वो गिरा। सो दिस इज व्हाट नवंबर, अगेन देखो 250 हो गया, 292 से ही ये गिरेगा, देखोगे 292 से 248 तक आएगा, 24 292 निफ्टी फ्यूचर से ये 282 तक आएगा। Who gives you a dream that yes, 1 rupee options can become 100 rupees, that is a dream, or this is a dream which is having some realistic value in it, that is called a dream, that is called a analysis, or yeah, analysis which has no scientific validation, that is called a analysis. So this is what we have. So now this is what the analysis happened for Nifty, बैंक निफ्टी का क्या देख, निफ्टी का और एक बार देख लो, 208 can push the price to 324. This is what bullish case it has given. Bearish case is this one, summary में वो बताया. So this has given in the summary sections 324. However, आपको तो चार्ट से ही पता चला. Second, this part of our bank nifty studies, summary में मैं चला जाता हूँ. I am just showing the summary. So summary is neutral to bearish with potential corrective rebound towards 51,900, ये support, ये resistance, 51,900 plus, वो बताया 51,882 तक आया, रिबाउंड टिल 51,900 प्लस 882 तक हो चुका है. यहीं से आपको थोड़ा सा स्टॉप लगेगा, थोड़ा सा हिच लगेगा, थोड़ा सा रुक जाएगा, समथिंग विल हैपन हियर. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट हैज टोल्ड. सो दोनों स्टडी आपको इंपॉर्टेंट है. पहला स्टडी आपको इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपको पैटर्न पता चले. यू नीड टू नो व्हाट इज द पैटर्न गोइंग ऑन, वेदर एबीसी हैपनिंग और 1 2 3 4 5 हैपनिंग. फॉर दैट you require the first study, chart graph study. But chart graph study is having one specific limitation. It has not taken your volatility into action. It has not taken cycles into action. Means if one trend ends here, what will be the next trend? So that two things is not there. So for that reason, it restricts there. So if you, without the things, if you just go for that, what happens? It say that you can say, so here, if you just without taking the smart finance software, if you do the ABC pattern, so this also you can say that this is the potential support resistance. So 60 to 80, here it ends. So that selling pressure will come around this thing, reversal will come around this thing, around this 229 to 260 हो गया. बट बियॉन्ड दैट क्या है उसके आगे, क्योंकि ये तो वोलाटाइलिटी, इट इज मेड फॉर द वोलाटाइलिटी मार्केट. व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेज? सो दैट इट डजंट स्पीक, बिकॉज साइकिल का कोई इसमें रोल ही नहीं है. देयर इज नो साइकिल concept is being added to it. In the earlier time when I came with the things, that idea that yes, Elliott wave study is based on the Elliott construction approach. Many have disputed, many, 5 years before, 6 years before, when I say that Elliott wave is a wave construction approach, they said they have many criticisms have come, but have a look at the chart GPT here. I have not given my readings first. What I gave one chart or graph. Then it performs some things. It has asked what are the things you want. I have given it: trend direction, price levels, expected price move. Anywhere it has counted it has told that no, AB has completed, C is going to happen, or 1 2 3 completed, 4 5 is going to happen. It has told no. Why it has not told? If it is following a counting approach, it would have constructed the wave and it could have counted and told you, na, AB has happened, C is going to happen. If BCD happened, this is going to happen. So these are the counting approach is not there in original Elliott study at all. So when I used to tell 5 years before, those people are also still connected with smart finance. So now they started realizing what is original Elliott wave. So okay, system which you cannot understand, which you cannot use it. So Elliott wave is not that. Elliott wave is purely follows the Fibonacci principle. Every wave is constructed based on the Fibonacci principle. It follows the cycle principle. So it is a pure mathematical principle. Pure mathematical principle. So प्योर मैथमेटिकल प्रिंसिपल इसमें और कुछ है ही नहीं. So there are two things is required. So two things we required. We need to only understand what pattern it is going on. ABC is going on, 1 2 3 4 5 going on. So then by giving the chart we are achieving that objective of identifying the pattern. Once the pattern is identified, then other things it will follow suit. So this you can say that very so many things I see here. Elliott wave analysis long back I did. See, it has given this also Nifty, Bank Nifty. So for one video I made. So one video I made this thing, and these videos also I have published. Many such videos, 5 6 videos I made and put it in the channel, and these are the things you can see that lot of same thread I have initiated many videos many times. Same way you can say price chart I have given a long position, short positions, then considering our own pattern also, our price pattern also chart I have given. So these are many days I have tested, and those who are using our software and using with the chat GPT, their efficiency has increased to many folds. Now they say that using chat GPT with smart finance software, smart analysis tool, our success in trade has increased multifold. That is what the user's feedback is. 2 3 things which is it is taking the purest form of that concept. First thing, it is taking the real Elliott wave, real Gann study, real things. What is the correct information that the chat GPT takes that. And once based on that concept, we have just done little bit of modification without altering that principle. So once we have given that feedback, or we have given that data points to the system, it has worked wonderfully. Also I have told you. So today, as per this Gann vibrations for the Nifty, I have told. For Bank Nifty, you are seeing here. So Bank Nifty's part also. So Bank Nifty part also you can see here the supports are sitting. These are the chain of. So these colored are the vibration numbers. So you can calculate many resistance, but market will give respect to these supports. So these are vibration number taken from numerological concept along with the Gann. So both things are there. So now, so here also same thing is there. So like, see what kind of one great thing WD Gann has created. And Gann cycle point, Bank Nifty I have shown you, Nifty I have shown you. Intraday tetrahedron also has come. Time analysis also newly we have added the tetrahedron concepts. You can go with the summary section also. How many Gann studies are supporting buy? How many are supporting sell? how many are neutral. So all these things also there. So Gann study also can be utilized with that ChatGPT. Elliott is a complex study, so we are having dilemma to choose between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ABC. So that dilemma is solved and we can use that thing. So how to test it? I have told you. Go to the site, go to the website and ट्रायल एडिशन. सो ट्रायल एडिशन कुछ लोग ले लेते हैं, बोलते हैं ये नहीं है वो नहीं है. ट्रायल में जितना आपको फ्री में दे सकते हैं उतना दिया देंगे. सब फ्री में दे देंगे तो बेचेंगे कैसे वो प्रोडक्ट को. सो वो भी एक चीज आप लोगों को समझना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट इज दैट? ट्रायल एडिशंस, टेक इट फ्रॉम द वेबसाइट here and it has limited times. means ट्रायल एडिशन हर रोज 15 एनालिसिस अलाउ करेगा. एक का 15 बार कर लो, नहीं तो 15 स्टॉक का एक एक बार करो, आगे नहीं करेगा. ऑल सिंबल्स विल नॉट बी अवेलेबल एवरी डे. एवरी डे सिंबल विल चेंज. कभी कभार निफ्टी आपको मिलेगा नहीं, कभी कभार निफ्टी मिलेगा, बैंक निफ्टी नहीं मिलेगा. सो दीज आर द symbols will be restricted, number of analysis restricted, number of studies restricted. ट्रायल इसको देख के समझने के लिए, जानने के लिए ये क्या है. सो दिस इज फॉर ट्रायल इज बीइंग गिवन. सो ट्रायल्स इज हैविंग दैट लिमिटेड स्कोप्स बट यू कैन टेस्ट इट. हर रोज 15 स्टडी आप टेस्ट कर सकते हो. इसका कोई एक्सपायरी भी नहीं है. 6 महीना टेस्ट करो, 15 साल भी टेस्ट करो, 5 साल टेस्ट करो, जितना दिन चाहे टेस्ट करो. एक्सपायरी नहीं है बट लिमिटेड टेस्टिंग कर सकते हो. सो ओनली लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ टेस्टिंग यू कैन डू इन अ डे एंड इट इज लाइफ लॉन्ग यू कैन टेस्ट. सो इट हैज नो एक्सपायरी. हाउएवर all symbols will not be available every day. So this टेस्ट करो, चैट जीपीटी के साथ में टेस्ट करो, खुद ही जान जाओगे कि कितना सक्सेस है. ट्राई टेस्टिंग इट, yourself will know how much successful it is. And those who are having the software, do not delay it. Try to use with the chat GPT. You will get fantastic result you will be getting out of that. Webinar on Gann study is going to start on the date of next week, I think 16th November to 25th November. एडवांस ज्ञान स्टडी. जिन लोगों को कुछ पता नहीं है बेसिक चीज, वो लोग ज्वाइन ना करें. Those who do not know the basics of the Gann study, what is a number to degree conversions and all, please do not join. Those who have already have the basic skills, they can join this, because only advanced concept I am going to take it here. So that is just upgradations to use this thing with the chat GPT to make some new things in that. So these are the advanced concept. If you have that, you can the smart IT or any of our old software, please call to the support, and if it is valid they will upgrade it. If it is not valid, then you renew it, you will get the new things. Fine. So the coming webinar is starting next this week 16th, this Saturday Sunday onwards. If you have interest, you can join. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.